facials are renowned for the incredible massage technique. It's this real draining, lifting, blood circulation boosting massage, a real facial gymnastics for the skin. And so many clients were asking me how to recreate some of the movements at home, how to really bring their home care routine up into the treatment level, which is why I developed the Facialift. It's this incredible massaging tool with 8 different massaging wheels and 48 massaging nodules that literally roll and massage like the knuckles into the face to really boost up blood circulation, help lymphatic drainage, and really sculpt the lower part of the face. All you need to do is hold the handle and literally place your Facialift massager at a right angle, so horizontal. What I see quite a lot of people doing is trying to push up over the jawline like that. That's actually quite difficult. What you want to do is run along with the jawline so that you're getting the lymph drainage in the same direction. So you hold it up in line with your jaw and then you just push and roll. That should feel like it's massaging and kneading into the skin, like I would use my knuckles to kind of do this work. It's going to do that for you. It's not trying to push up over the bone, it's pushing along with the bone. And literally you need to do this 5-6 times and gradually work up. So I've moved from the jawline now to the sides of the mouth where it's kind of cushiony. Push from there out to the outer part of the face. And then I can go up a little bit further, but once the top roller hits into your cheekbone, this is where you need to stop. Don't roll up here really far towards the eye because this area is very delicate. So what you want to do is to go up to about here. This is sitting just on the cheekbone, and push and roll. Now you can do each movement 6 times or so, or you can just do what's comfortable for you. If I'm massaging, I'll just massage away, making it really deep into the skin. Get some blood flowing. What I want to see when you've done this is a pink flush to the skin. That's what you want. It's the blood flow and circulation. If you do this several times a day, you can use it with your cleanser. If you've got lots of blockages here and you want to really help drain and detox, use this while you've got Ultimate Cleanse on your skin. It's a brilliant slide on the skin that helps to really do that drainage process. If you want to do it as more of a treatment, a nice kind of massagey treatment, do it with your overnight facial. So you just pop a layer of overnight facial on, take your Facialift and just massage. And that's the closest thing that we can get for you to our actual clinical facial massage treatment. What I can feel now today is a kind of tension here and almost a little bit tender. That's probably because there's maybe some congestion, there's maybe a little bit of lymph build up, it's maybe some toxins, or it could be, if you've been clenching your teeth, it's the tension build up here. And I know so many of you, it really helps with that. So again, if you're feeling stressed and tense, just pick up your Facialift and roll. And then what you can do is concentrate on the neck area. Obviously this is an area that really shows signs of aging. So work with this here as well. You can actually do the same movement, just gently, and don't push on the front of the neck. Don't apply it here and then push, because you can hear in the voice that that's actually quite uncomfortable. What you want to do is you want to start it from here, and you can always push the wishbone apart to get it into the right place. And then just massage on the outer parts of the neck. Again, that's really nice. And then you can twist, and now you can take your more vertical approach, starting at the collarbone and working up towards the lymph nodes and the earlobes. Again, this is going to give you a really nice draining movement. Excellent again with your cleanser, excellent with your overnight facial, or just on dry skin alone. Then when you finish doing your rolling massaging, there is parts of the face that you haven't managed to massage. So just at the end of the Facialift, there's a little disc. And what you're going to do with this, hold on to the rollers, get a nice little sort of swinging tapping action, so you can hear that. And then you're going to do that just around the eyes, across the cheekbones. You can go onto the forehead if you like. You can actually go all over the face. This is very good for bringing up superficial plumping, bringing up circulation, getting a glow to the skin. Nothing better than that on a sluggish morning when you look in the mirror and you just think, oh, I look really tired. Grab hold of this, give yourself a 30-second massage. The life will come back to your face. You'll feel great, you'll look great, and it's so simple and easy to use.